Okay, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making a hot layered Mexican dip. Oh my goodness, or hot Mexican layered dip, whichever way you would like to say it. You can do this in a 9 by 13 and it'll work just fine. I'm doing it in a 11 by 7 because it just makes it a little bit thicker because we don't have as many people to serve. And so you take 2 room temperature blocks of cream cheese and just press them in the bottom. I'll give you a hint. Don't spray Pam in your pan because it makes it harder to spread the cream cheese. It just slides all over. And so there you go. Just put it in like that. I know Erin's going to be eating this for a few days because she loves it. Okay. And then you take a can of refried beans, whatever your favorite flavor is. And this is so easy. I'm telling you what.
It is very good. Perfect for football season, tailgating.
Yeah, absolutely. Erin knows we've made this for over 30 years too. Well, 20,
20-ish.
like 24 years,
Yeah.
I think. Yep, somewhere in there. And then spread it. And then I've got my oven preheated to 375, but you can do 400 if you're doing other things at that temperature, or 350 if you're not in a hurry. Just don't overcook it, because if you overbake it, the cream cheese kind of turns funky. I just don't like how it separates out. Okay, so next thing we do is take your favorite taco seasoning mix. I like this brand because it doesn't have a lot of the weird chemicals in it.
Show it again.
And so it doesn't have a lot of the strange stuff in it. But use what you have, and then you can be as generous as you want. But remember, your chips are salty, so you don't want to make this too salty. But it gives it that extra, what's the word you always use, Erin? Pizzazz.
Yeah, a little kick.
A little kick. All right, now we have a can of your favorite canned chili. I personally think it's kind of disgusting on its own. My husband likes it from his childhood, but it's just not my cup of tea. But in this, it's great.
All the ingredients kind of make it kick.
Yeah, they mesh together, don't they,
Yeah,
Erin?
mesh together real good.
All right, so on top of the chili, we're going to take your favorite salsa, whatever your favorite salsa is, hot, cold, medium, mild, cold. And put your salsa on there. This is so fast. This is perfect if somebody calls you at the last minute, says we're coming over, or you have to take something somewhere and you don't have much time. And so then you take your favorite cheese. Huh?
Chilies.
No.
Oh.
Erin, I mixed Erin up, sorry. And then you put on your favorite cheese. You can use Kojak, pepper jack, cheddar, whatever your favorite cheese is. Monterey Jack. You can use a blend of cheeses and top it generously, as it is for tortilla chips, right?
Mm-hmm.
And look for my other video. Today I'm doing 3 things because it's football today on Saturday, and so we're making a little tailgate, mini tailgate here. And then after the cheese, this is optional. There is some green chilies, and they're roasted green chilies. You can use hatch chilies, whatever. And then just kind of sprinkle them around. These are mild, they're not super hot. The temperature of this is going to depend upon whatever salsa you use. Because, you know, Erin got hot salsa because the cream cheese and the cheeses and everything kind of mild out everything. So she got hot salsa today.
Yeah, it's not really, like I always have to add like jalapenos to it or something, but
You don't have to with this, do you?
no, not really.
And I'm also making a homemade queso sauce today, so look for that recipe. And so, like I said, you can put as few or as many as you want, but that looks kind of like a little flag there with all the colors of red. And if you use the white cheese, then for the dip, then you would have green and red and white. So there you are, and I'm going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees until it's hot, which is about 20 minutes. And I wouldn't do it more than 25 minutes because that cheese, all you want to do is heat this up. So we'll be back. Well, our hot Mexican layer dip is out of the oven. Oh my goodness. I've got my homemade cracked tortilla chips, the flour tortilla chips, which is in another video. And I'm going to put some of this on my plate. There's the chili, the cheese, the cream cheese on the bottom. This is so delicious.
Very good.
Yeah, and you can put it in a 9x13, like I said at the beginning of the video. And so just like that with my homemade cracked chips, and it is delicious with that cream cheese on the bottom, the salsa, the refried beans, the chili, the green chilies, the cheddar cheese. What more can you ask for football weekend? Thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen.